You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this city in California. If you want to learn more names that are confusing around the state, make sure to stay tuned on the Central Coast region. It comes from Spanish, San Luis Obispo. Obispo means bishop in Spanish. So I guess there was a bishop at the time. The English pronunciation, the way they say it in California, SLO, is sometimes abbreviated as SLO, San Luis Obispo. San Luis Obispo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.